Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in the previous video we saw that how we can create a basic scatter chart. Now in this video we'll be talking about another scatter chart which is known as scatter chart with a straight line. As discussed that in the previous video we created this scatter chart with markers. So these points are known as markers. Now this line that we created, it was a trend line. But as such we are having here only markers. So sometimes it is very difficult to analyze the data with these markers. So if you are having a straight line, then it makes sense here. So let us go to the next sheet over here, that is scatter chart with the straight lines. What is the scatter chart with straight lines? Here it says it shows continuous change where order of x values matters. So whenever we want to see a continuous change in the data, then we use this scatter chart with the straight line. Now before we go in creation of this scatter chart, let us see here. So data points are connected using straight lines in the order of x values. What are the uses? It is showing how values change when x increases. So when x increases, how the y value changes. So that we can see very clearly with this scatter chart with straight line. It is used for engineering and scientific data. It is emphasizing continuity between the points. What are the advantages? It shows trends more clearly than markers alone is. So as I said earlier, that when you see just the markers, if the scatter chart is simple chart, then it is fine. But normally when we are having more markers, then we are not able to see the trend properly. So that's why the straight line will help us. It works with uneven x-axis interval. So let's say we are having different points on the x-axis 1, 2, 5, 10, 13, 17, etc. Then we can do it very well over here. What are the disadvantages of this scatter chart with straight line? It can be misleading if data is not continuous, and overlapping lines make clutter the chart. If we are trying to create here 3-4 lines, then when the lines are overlapping each other, then it is difficult to analyze the data. These are the advantages, disadvantages and uses of the scatter chart with straight line. Now let us create a scatter chart. So here we are having the time and we are having the machine temperature. So as the time increases, the temperature also increases here. So this is a positive correlation. So let us use this table here. We select the whole table. We go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, we are having the same buttons, scatter chart and bubble chart. So I click this button here, and now we have to use this thing which is known as scatter chart, or we can use this one first of all, scatter chart with straight lines, and then we'll come back to this point. So we use this option, scatter with straight lines, and now here we can see the scatter chart with straight lines. So see, this is much more easier. Yeah, here we don't have to create any kind of trend line. It is already showing you the scatter chart with a straight line. So we can analyze the data very easily. So friends, this is one of the type of chart which is known as scatter chart with straight lines. Now in the next video, we'll be talking about another type of scatter chart which is known as scatter chart with straight lines and markers. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.